there are some really tasty combinations, but a lot of times when we get this mutton with bones, you always make some soup and then you make a mutton curry. So that is what we are trying to do today. I've got some mutton bones along with few nice pieces also, but with the combination of drumstick. Usually when somebody gets married new, they try and incorporate more of drumsticks into it. You should guess why. Namaste, Assalamu alaikum, Sat Sri Akal. Welcome back to another session with your war chef at wareva.com, and today we are going to make this mutton and drumstick. We're going to make a soup as well as curry with it. For this I am going to use some peanut oil. This is what I always try and tell you guys, that in your cooking you keep changing the oils. So in this we are going to add some bay leaf, pieces of mutton. The mutton which is slightly browned, it is called mallard effect. Mallard means it gives a very nice taste for whatever you cook. The browning of the mutton is called mallard effect. The mutton is slightly fried. In this, we're going to add onions. Add the onions. We're going to saute these onions for a moment. And in this, we're also going to add some ginger garlic paste. Add some turmeric, some chili powder. Mix this and let it cook for another 3-4 minutes. Now, in this, add water. In this, add tomatoes. Put the lid on, and I'm going to let it cook on the other stove. In the meanwhile, I'm going to show you how to make the masala. I'm going to use 5 spices here: cardamom, clove, cinnamon, coriander seeds, and also peppercorns. On a slow flame, roast them so that you get the best of the best flavor. And later we're going to add this to the soup as well as to the curry. Look at them. The masalas are all fine. We're going to put it in the dingchik, and then we're going to coarsely ground it. Cooking this mutton in the cooker for some time, I'm going to add a drumstick. These drumsticks are considered to be aphrodisiac, and I'm making this for my father who's 80 years old. So add the drumsticks in it, let it cook well. I'm making this soup for my father and then the curry for me. After cooking the mutton and later cooking the drumsticks also for 10 minutes, the soup is all ready. Just make sure you add the right amount of salt in this, and also, the dingchik, the powder what I have done, I'm just going to add a little bit, not too much. For the soup, you do not want it to be too much spicy. Also, I'm going to add chopped coriander. Why this soup is so potent is because of the flavor of the drumstick also. I don't want any mutton pieces in this. I just want the drumstick, which is really aphrodisiac. In the soup, I'll just take the full of soup. This soup is ready. I'm going to add the masala because we want to get that nice masala which you can eat it with rice. So that can only happen after reducing this concentrate. In the meanwhile, I'm going to do a little bit of tempering and add to this. I'm just going to add some more oil, some red chili. These are round Chennai chilies. Add some fennel seeds. Most of my mutton curries, whatever I make, the thicker version of curries or fries, I love to use a lot of garlic. In the mutton fry and all of those things, I prefer just crush the garlic and add it in the last, and that gives a very nice flavor to your mutton fries and all that. And you should see some of my old mutton fry recipes in which I showed this technique. And in this, I'm going to finish it off with some more curry leaf. Red chili, the fennel seeds, everything gets a very nice aroma. Put it on top of this. See, look at this. It is already getting thickened. The mutton, it is twice cooked. The double cooked mutton, basically it will be nice soft. It should melt in your mouth. That's when you will enjoy this. And the bones in this are also very nicely cooked, and you can actually crush into it. Even the meat pieces and with the drumstick, and look at the consistency. Some of those red chili and the mutton bones, everything. This is nice concentrated flavors. You have to enjoy this with the rice. We South Indians especially, we love this drumstick, whether in sambar or the mutton curry. In sambar, it is really a class apart. But with the mutton, the mutton is also so tender. Every bite is just awesome. Look at the jelly of this bone, perfect.